Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok rewards not working. The first thing I would recommend doing is to go ahead and just make sure that your TikTok has been updated to a more recent version of software. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and open up your app store just like so. And what you want to do is you want to go and click on the app store right at the bottom and you want to search for TikTok. So go and search up TikTok and you just want to make sure your application has been updated. If your application has not been updated in a while, that can sometimes cause some issues. So I recommend going right into here and essentially updating your application. So like I said before, this can properly end up fixing the problem for a lot of people, and that's essentially what I would recommend doing in your particular situation as well. So try updating it and you want to see if that ends up working. Now sometimes TikTok can have some really random issues that have nothing to do with you. So what you can try to do is you can try seeing if TikTok is actually down. So you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com. So what's going to happen here is it's going to show you essentially all the services that are up and down. So what you can do here is when you come here, you'll basically see all these problems in this outage. All you're going to have to do is go and see if TikTok is on here, if TikTok is down, and if it's on here, you're essentially just going to have to wait it out until they fix the problem. So go through here, see if TikTok is down, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So if that's still not working, you may want to try signing out of your TikTok application and signing back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main things to end up doing here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.